Congratulations, you did it. You have just touched that magical figure of 5 crores, maybe even 10 crores or 20 crores in your turnover. Believe me, if you are building that kind of business or you have built that kind of business in India, it requires a lots of guts, lots of hard work, and a huge sacrifice in terms of family life and all those things. And if you have built that kind of business, you should be proud of it. But maybe, just maybe, the feeling of being stuck has started creeping in. It looks like that you have hit a wall in your business. You cannot go through, you cannot even climb. See, you are managing more complexities now in your business. You are managing a bigger scale, even a lot more people than you used to have. But even then, the scale, the speed of scale, the pace of scale, it is not what it used to be in your business. And believe me, this feeling, it is more common than you think into most successful Indian businesses which are there. It's incredibly frustrating, right? You try new marketing ideas, you hire more people, you push for more sales, you push for expansions and whatnot. But what it seems like is you are running faster to stay at the same place. And what got you here at the place you are suddenly is not enough to take you to the place where you want to be. The old ways, they are not working. Maybe you are seeing some similar players in your industry who are moving faster than you. You might be seeing MNCs, they are eating up your share. And this is quite a fear, isn't it? Whether this business, it is going to scale, it is going to stay at this place, or it is going to break down in future, you do not know. And this plateau is not only fearful, it is very risky. It limits your future profits, it limits your ability to attract the top talent, and drastically reduces the valuation of your business if you really want to exit someday in future. It is costing you opportunity, peace of mind, and even your future wealth. But here is the truth: breaking this plateau isn't about applying more brute force or working longer hours. It's about upgrading your entire approach. It's about installing a new engine specifically built for scalable growth. It's about shifting your strategies towards having more freedom so that you are not the bottleneck of your business, having predictable profits to fuel the growth and valuations so that it becomes the ultimate prize in your business. And this FPV blueprint is the next phase of your significant growth. And this is exactly what we help you build in our 12 weeks group coaching cohort. See, forget generic advice. Our single focused promise is this: we help you build a scalable, profitable, exit ready business custom built for your business in 90 days or less. How? Through weekly group coaching masterminds. See, I guide you live every week, helping you implement core FPA principles needed you to break out from any plateau wherever you are. We focus lesser sharp on real growth levers. So you will be having clarity of the real growth levers of your business. We help you build replicable automated systems so that you can scale your business without any kind of chaos. We design your scalable business model and your business becomes exit ready right from the day one. See, you might think that my business is very unique. How a group coaching cohort is going to help me. See, while FP model is very much proven to work with any business, but the magic happens in the application. Plus, it's not just the theory. Every week you have a chance for a hot set, wherein I personally guide you on the most pressing challenges of for scaling your business, getting unstuck fast with other ambitious entrepreneurs. So, if you are leading that 5 crores to 100 crores business, you are feeling stuck at a plateau and you want to build a new engine that takes you to the success towards the that 100 crore turnover mark or even beyond that, then it's time to create the right blueprint. Join this cohort. The link will be somewhere in the first comment or description. See, stop feeling stuck. Start building your future proof engine and let's build your breakthrough together.